Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now Ulataba Mekoa posted a video of herself dancing on TikTok, right? Which is not new because she is a good dancer. So it is the trend is that song, yeah, Uncle Waffles, where like someone has to hit your bum, right? And when I first saw it, I was like, oh, okay. But then I was like, the second time it repeated itself, I was like, let me go back again, right? So in my opinion, okay, the way I see it, and I'm not saying that's what she was trying to do, but the way I see things, she was trying to, I think, make people think that the person who hit her bums or who spanked her bums during that challenge was Relebogile. Now, in my opinion, I view this as a social media strategic move because of, you guys know that there is a rumor flying around that Una Lady Apiwe is in a relationship with or is dating Relebogile Mofokeng, who was also rumored to be dating Lethabo. And that's the video I also posted, you guys, and the evidence that made people think that Una Lady and Rele are dating. Now, when I saw this, I was like, maybe she's trying to make people think that it's a real, right? But then I was like, There are a few things that gave it away. Number one were these pants. I don't think Orela would wear these pants. I think it looks like a jean. I don't think Orela would wear those jeans, right? The second thing was when that she leaned a little bit forward and I could see the hair. Number two. Number three, when she went to spank Lethabo, she leaned forward with her chest and you can see her shirt. Pirates. That's why I'm saying maybe she's trying to make people think that it's real. That's my opinion, okay? But you can see that's like a boob, like that's like a breast, like it's a woman, it's a girl, it's a lady who's doing the trend with her. Now, do I think that is a marketing flop? I think it is, man. I think it is, and it's very. I don't know whether it's a coincidence that she's doing this while there is a rumor that Rele is dating Naledi, right? And I mean, she could literally just, if they are really dating Rele and Lethabo, she could literally just come and post their pictures together. She can, if they are, there's nothing, she can literally come and say, I'm dating him. But I feel like she wanted people to talk and wanted people to wonder. And this is one of the reasons why I was saying our influencers and our celebrities, they need a PR team. A PR team in times like this, they will show you, they will tell you what to do and what not to do. They will tell you that, okay, now that your boyfriend or the person that you were rumored to be dating with is rumored now to be dating somebody else, this is what you need to do. Because if she had a team, they wouldn't allow something like this to happen. I wouldn't be reporting about this. But okay, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.